Stop thinking of what could go wrong and start thinking of what could go right. Good morning, alrights. This is RJ Rajgopal
and RJ Ida, and you're listening to Aura FM 20.6.
Hey Ida, what are human rights?
You see, Raj, human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world, from birth until death. These basic rights are based on shared values like dignity, fairness, equality, respect, and independence. These values are defined and protected by law.
Oh,
And now, alright, it is time for our daily dose of motivation. Yes, you guessed it is time for the Morning Dewdrops. And today's Morning Dewdrops is by Vihan Navnath of Grade 1B. Now let's listen and enjoy and learn something new.
Morning, alrights. I am Vihan Navnath from Grade 1B, and in today's Morning Dewdrops, I present to you this quote from Mahatma Gandhi. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony, which means happiness lies in integrity. Feeling good about yourself is the foundation of positive thinking and happy living. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now you're listening to Aura FM 20.6.
do you know that Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants? So here I am with today's interesting facts. Tomato sauce was sold in 18,000s as medicine. Wow. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can't hop.
Current affairs. Karnataka Bank launches CASA campaign. Indian Oil Corp Director A.K. Singh to head the Petronet LNG. Indian diplomat Vidisha Maitra elected to UN Advisory Committee. Bangtan Boys, also known as the BTS, has already broken world record of most views in 24 hours and most TikTok followers in 24 hours. And now their record-breaking song has been nominated for the Grammy Awards. Will they be the first ever K-pop artist to win a Grammy?
Okay, so alright, the winners of yesterday's tongue twister. Shalakha Menon, Devanandini, Maidili, Kirtana Janish, Adit Krishna. Congratulations, winners.
It is time for today's question, so listen carefully. Which is the most listened to song ever? I repeat, which is the most listened to song ever?
Today is the birthday of Tirtha Mithun of grade 1A. Let's wish her a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tirtha. Thank you for tuning into Aura FM 20.6. This is RJ Rajgopal.
And RJ Ida signing off. See you until next time.
X.